அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். பயாலஜி தமிழ்நாடு சேனல் சார்பாக உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைக்கி நாம் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, உங்களுடைய ஸ்டேட் போர்டு 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பயோபாட்டனி இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியம் புக்கில் இருக்கக்கூடிய Asexual and Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசன், அதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒன் வேர்ட்ஸ் ஒரு 50 questions நாம் வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். பார்ட் 1ல் போகலாமா? நேம் த சயின்டிஸ்ட் ஸ்பெஷலைஸ்டு இன் பிளான்ட் embryology, மார்ஃபாலஜி அண்ட் anatomy. Professor P. Mageshwari. Who established the International Society for Plant Morphologists in 1951? Professor P. Mageshwari. Biological name of water hyacinth? Eichhornia crassips. Organism reproduced by formation of conidia? Aspergillus and Penicillium. Which plant is called as terror of Bengal? Eichhornia crassips, water hyacinth. The unit of reproductive structure used in propagation is called reproductive propagules or diaspores. Formation of rhizome takes place in which plant? Musa paradisiaca, banana, Gingiber officinale, ginger, and Curcuma longa, turmeric. In which organism roots develop vegetative buds? Murraya, Dalbergia, and Millingtonia. Murraya அப்படினா கருவேப்பிலை. Example for budding: yeast and hydra. Examples for fragmentation: Spirogyra. In which plant production of gemma takes place? Marchantia. Example for regeneration: Planaria. Example for binary fission: Bacteria. In which organism tuberous adventitious roots store food? Ipomia batatas and Dahlia. Example for calm: Amorphophilus and Colocasia. Example for tuber: Solanum tuberosum. Example for bulb: Allium cepa and Lilium. Example for runner: Centella asiatica. Example for stolon: Mentha and Fragaria. Example for offset: Pistia and Eichhornia. Example for sucker: Chrysanthemum. Example for bulbils: Dioscorea and agave. In which plant adventitious buds are developed on their leaves? Bryophyllum, Scilla, Begonia. Adventitious buds develop at the notches are called epiphyllous buds. Which plant is bulbous and grows in sandy soils? Scilla. In which type of reproduction only one parent is required? Monogamous. In which type of reproduction only one parent is required? Polygamous. In which type of reproduction only one parent is required? Polygynous. In which type of reproduction only one parent is required? Sexual. In which type of reproduction only one parent is required? Asexual. In which type of reproduction only one parent is required? Reproductive. vegetative propagation or asexual reproduction, in which reproductive method the new individual is identical with that of the parent. Asexual reproduction or vegetative propagation, which plant reproduce vegetatively and spread rapidly. Spine effects. Some of the artificial propagation methods have been used by man for a long time and are called conventional methods. Technology is being used for propagation to produce large number of plants in a short period of time. This method is called modern method of vegetative propagation. Example for root cutting: malus. Example for stem cutting: hibiscus, bougainvillea and moringa. Example for leaf cutting: begonia, bryophyllum. During grafting, the plant which is in contact with the soil is called as stalk. The plant used for grafting is called scion. Examples for grafting: citrus, mango, apple. In bud grafting, the shape of the incision made in the stalk is T-shaped. Example for layering: ixora and jasminum. Which plant is propagated more economically by vegetative propagation? Solanum tuberosum. What are the three types of gametic fusion? Isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Write the type of fertilization occurs in algae. External fertilization. Which method of fertilization occur in higher plants? Internal fertilization. What are the essential parts of a flower? Androecium and gynoecium. Which type of reproduction involves the production and fusion of male and female gametes? Sexual reproduction. The process of fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. The process of production of male and female gametes is called gametogenesis. What are the four parts of a flower? Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. In which type of reproductive method the structures are used for propagation are bulky and difficult to handle and store? Vegetative propagation. In which method of grafting a slit is made in the stalk or the bark is cut? Wedge grafting. In which grafting method a scion and stalk having same thickness? டங் கிராஃப்டிங். மேலும் பல தகவல்களை தெரிந்து கொள்வதற்கு பயாலஜி தமிழ்நாடு சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
பலருக்கு சேவை செஞ்ச நீயும் ஒரு ஹீரோடா. ஒரு கைப்பிடி சோறானாலும் ஷேர் செஞ்சு பாருடா.